Going to do a yarn giveaway. I just ask that you comment down below something that you're working on, something crochet related, maybe a video you'd like to see in the future, and make sure you're a subscriber. I'm just going to go over a few things that are all linked down below and then show you the yarn that I'm giving away. It's a really nice quality yarn that I found at Michael's. So here is my Etsy store, which is down below in my description, and I added a few more things like this Time to Unwind notebook. Time to Unwind, it's a floral crochet hook case or like pouch. There's two sizes and you can personalize a notebook, and here is another one for the pouch for hooks. I put in my granny poncho that has a video linked to it, and there's just a few other items here. I've just been working on placing items in here off and on. Sorry, off and on. So this flex yarn from Loops and Threads is the giveaway. You need to be a subscriber and comment down below. It is really soft. It's $9.99 from Michael's. It's a really nice green with like flecks of pastel colors like you can see on there. And it's aqua color. It's medium 4. You would use a 5H hook for this type of yarn. It's acrylic and polyester. It's really nice. I highly recommend it. Alright, so comment down below and subscribe. Thank you for watching.